Paintless Dent Repair. Terry, have you ever had the unfortunate incident to walk out of a restaurant or a church or a shopping mall and find that someone had dented your vehicle?
Yeah, not while I was driving it though, the wife.
I'm sure it was your wife. Did the person who dented your vehicle leave a note apologizing for it and a blank check saying get it fixed?
Not on this earth, no.
Okay. Did you ever pay to have any of those dings or dents fixed?
No.
No, no, very few people do. In fact, an extraordinarily low number of people do. Do you have any idea what it costs to fix a ding or a dent using a paintless dent repair process that's the size of a dime?
No idea.
It's about, $60 to $80. Yeah. You get 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 of those over the course of a year, it severely devalues your vehicle. Not only does it not look particularly good, but it's not worth as much. Look, you're going to be happy to know the next vehicle you buy comes with 1 year complimentary paintless dent repair. During that period of time, we will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you. So we'll keep your car looking better, no money will come out of your pocket, and when it comes time to trade or sell it, chances are you'll have fewer dings and dents than you would have otherwise, and you'll get more money for it.